Good morning, YouTube. Well, we got irrigation water, guys. We are flood irrigating our hayfield, and so you can see it's going along. From here all the way to the back, there's a 3-inch drop. This has been laser leveled, and the water goes pretty smooth all the way toward the back. We're blessed, man. We hadn't gotten water in about a year, and we threw down 200 pounds of urea. This is Tifton 85, and hopefully it's gonna grow. We're gonna have some good winter hay. We're gonna make some haylage out of this as well, to feed our own cattle. So it's all good. It's about 3/4 of the way on this pan. This pan's going slower, so I opened up the gate, the water valve, or the water gate some more. It's going. I'll show you what happened to my fence, guys. My fence is on the ground. After the flood, all the thatch and all that, we had that big flood come through here. Actually knocked my fences down. So much water current and so much trash coming from all those places over there coming this way. So yeah, it's down. We're gonna get it fixed though. Johnson, I gotta come out here with the weed wiper. That's blue stem. KR blue stem, what they call. It's an invasive grass. It's not native down here in the Rio Grande Valley. They brought it in. Crows are happy. They're getting bugs. But man, I am so pleased that we got water. Thank you for stopping by. Check out the YouTube channel.